I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to open YouTube in Google Chrome on Android. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your Android device and navigate to youtube.com. Step 2. If the phone automatically redirects you to the YouTube mobile app, go back to Chrome and tap the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Step 3. Look for the option that says Desktop Site and then tap the checkbox next to it. Step 4. The page will refresh and display the desktop version of YouTube directly within your Chrome browser. And a quick tip, if you find that your phone keeps forcing you into the YouTube app, no matter what you do, you can actually change the default opening behavior in your Android settings. Open your Android device's Settings app, tap Apps, tap See All Apps, and then tap YouTube in the list. Tap Open by Default in this menu. Tap to select in your browser on the next screen, which prevents the app from hijacking YouTube URLs when you click them or navigate to them in the Google Chrome app. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.